Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we are in Le Camper Bus. So me, Shaggy and Stephen Vare are here at Budle Bay. We were supposed to go into Eshat, but that failed. So yeah, we're at Budle Bay campsite. It's £15 night to stay here. And yeah, it's a beautiful night. And I have a feeling it's going to be the Hangover Part 5. So as you can see, this is Budle Bay here in Northumberland.
I met an old man. I said, tell
The camper bus and Shaggy's van. And Shaggy and Stephen are away in Stephen's van, away to buy more beer. Oh dear. What a view. The tide is way out, as you can tell. But normally, this is all sea.
And I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost.
And there is the campsite.
And I looked down at what he wrote.
Can you spot the odd vehicle out?
When you grow up, you'll be
Yep, Le Camper Bus, which I have big plans for. It is going to be painted black very soon, over the next few weeks. Can't wait.
looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story.
Well, it's starting to get that time again. I'm going to have a look at the sunset and
Walking on down
keep the party going.
when the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen.
What do you reckon that then there? Get a look at that. Hey!
The answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know.
Back to our little campsite for more cider.
Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking.
Hey!
Run, it takes time to get her out of your mind. But the trouble with the bottom of a bottle is it can't talk back to you. Show me the way to go home. I can't pay my rent 'cause my money's all gone. I can't get a line for this old honky-tonk. I got style. Just take a look at my smile. And if I'm sailing round the ocean in a glass-bottom boat, you'll be the fish that I keep You'll be the shell that I caught. It takes time to get her out of your mind. But the trouble with the bottom of a bottle is it can't talk back to you. It's showing me the way to go home. Again. Fast to fall, suddenly swallowed by signs, lo and behold, gonna rise up, find my direction magnetically, gonna rise up, turning mistakes into gold.
Well, it's that time again. It's bedtime. Sorry for just a short vlog, but yeah, Hangover Part 5. Anywho, see you all in the morning. Good night.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I'll hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers, drinking till my feet felt numb.
Morning, folks. As you can see, I never had a very good night's sleep. Yeah. I on a bit of a hill, which didn't help. And yeah, for some reason I didn't sleep well at all. Anywho, it's like 6 in the morning right now. So I'm gonna chill for a bit, wait for the boys to get up, and then see what we want to have for breakfast. Good morning, Budle Bay! Feeling rough.
Shut down.
That's why I've been left.
Welcome to Cookery Corner with the Egypts.
Pizza sausages.
And it's meant to be bacon. It's meant to be bacon.
But I can't find it.
Dun, dun, dun. This is going to make a nice noise when it hits that pan, because that pan is red hot.
Ready, guys?
Dun, 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 dun.
Lovely.
I'm down. Brother, help me up. I've fallen down.
And just like that, another adventure in Le Camper Bus is over. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.